What's up, y'all? Today I wanted to show you how I went about reshaping the toe box on one of my favorite shoes, the 85 Jordan 1's. The pair of 85s, if you notice the toe box, at least for me, a little bit big. On the pairs that released in 1985, they're a little bit flatter. So I did it purely for an aesthetic reason. But I'm gonna show you guys how I went about that process, the things that you're gonna need, and what I did to get those results. So here we go. First thing you're gonna need is obviously the shoe. Next, some collapsible shoe trees that you can adjust the size to fit your shoe. I got these ones from RESHOEVN8R. A spray bottle of water, an old t-shirt or rag, and finally an iron. You're gonna wanna use this on the hottest temperature that it can go. First step, put in the shoe tree into the shoe. Make sure it's adjusted so that it's really snug and tight. Next, cover the toe box with the rag. Use the spray bottle to saturate the rag so that the iron won't burn the cloth. It's important you keep the rag heavily saturated throughout the whole process. Next, grab the iron and start pressing down onto the toe box, beginning to reshape it. Repeat the process until you're happy with the results. Next thing that you're gonna do is leave that shoe tree in. I would recommend overnight, just so that the leather has time to cool down and maintain that shape, and you should be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.